kill Dalton because I need him. She's making some steam, guys. Find you all well, good spirits. Well, today's the day we are going to log and dyno Hulk here at Evolution Performance. That's right, we have everything set up. This could be the day for 1,000 horsepower. We're so excited. You guys know what that is right there. The fastest GT500 in the planet at 9.1 at 154. Also, let me show you the new tires are mounted for us. You may be wondering what's going on with these crazy different tires. Well, again, this is the drag setup. So these are 18s. We don't want to put drag radials on the dyno, but for now we have the the Oreo cookie look. But we're gonna get these set up, throw in the dyno just to show you guys again from last video. It's all in, everything's back connected nicely. The Kong throttle body, Kong porta blowers in. We do have the upgraded Whipple intercooler under here with the water lines. They're upgraded. GLT cooler intake. Palm Beach Rob Shoemaker Ken tune, and of course we have the L&M cams are in there as well. So this is pretty serious. She's back to being buttoned up. Can't forget our beautiful 270 pulley from SPE. So I'll put a link in the description for all the mod list that's here. If I forgot anything, I apologize, but remember, this made 832 wheel last time on their dyno with just E85 and the L&M cams, and we did have the fuel rails from Lethal and 1300 injectors. So that's the whole list. Let me run down it one more time so I remember. GLT colder intake, L&M cams, fuel rails from Division X, 1300cc injectors from Lethal. Then we did have the Whipple upgraded intercooler brick, and then the Kong porta blower. We have the Kong throttle body, and we have the SPE upper pulley. We have the Whipple upgraded tensioner, stock lower, and that's pretty much all she wrote, guys. And of course, all put together with the brains of the Palm Beach Dyno tune. We may need some headers. We do have a cat delete right now, but oh my gosh, I'm so late in the video, guys. Remember, August 31st, the Shelby GT500 giveaway ends. Grab yourself a hat like this, you'll be entered to win. And now going forward, for now, everything is 5 times entries till August 17th. So grab some merch. 5x entries are live till 8/17. Good luck. For now, let's see what Hulk is gonna make in the dyno. What do you think about the new look? All right. Start off with a baby test of a 2500 to 5500 hit. Send those logs to Palm Beach and then go for the full blast after this. Did a little test pull. Now we're gonna go to 8 grand. Remember, there's no BAP on this, so we're gonna just take it up to like 8 grand. Ken said there's enough fuel there. We'll take it up higher, see what it does, because we're waiting for a fuel system from SPE. That's coming out shortly, but now we're gonna see what the car runs with a kind of higher pull. Okay, we didn't finish.
It hit 950.
Holy cow, guys! That wasn't all the way. That wasn't all the way to the full red line of what we could do, right? What was it at? We let out at what?
Like 75.
So he let out at 7,500 RPM, and it made 947 wheel, 692 torque, guys. So we already gained 100 wheel horsepower, over 100 wheel horsepower. So He didn't even let off. He let off early because we're testing to make sure there's enough fuel. So Hulk made 947 wheel.
With no BAP, that's
with
crazy.
no BAP.
No BAP.
Thank you, sir. So now we got the logs. We'll send them to Ken and Rob at Palm Beach. Just for some context, Mamba is 855 wheel. Hulk letting out early at 7500, 950 wheel. Good times. All right, guys, I'll put up the DA right now. It's above 2500. It is 90 degrees. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do one more full at 83 or 8400 RPM. We'll let it out. So. Now, guys, remember, it is hot out. What? What do we got, brother?
980 and 676.
Woo! 980 wheel horsepower. Yeah, that was back to back. So 980 wheel horsepower, 676 foot-pounds of torque. Remember, this is 832 just a week ago. So that's a healthy gain, guys. So
That was no cool down, didn't even shut it off.
yeah,
That's crazy.
979. Very happy, dude. And remember, this does not have a BAP on it. Just so you guys, if you guys had those questions.
That's crazy.
But
Only with a 2.7 pulley. That's pretty.
yeah,
wild.
stock lower. I mean stock.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right.
Crazy. For
That's
2.7.
yeah. That's really good.
Another micro record. Highest horsepower 2.7 pulley.
There you go. Highest cammed. Yeah, Michael. There you go. On a Tuesday.
Is it Tuesday?
It's Monday. Yeah, right, dude. Dude, I'm with you. The days blend together. This is our Michael record. Highest cammed deer hit 2.7 Kong Performance Evolution built GT500 980 wheel horsepower, guys. Awesome. Again, the most powerful Mustang in my life. Pretty cool that it's doing this. And remember, guys, this is not even the end, because we still have to get trans tuning set up. We still have to get the return system set up. So there's a lot more to go. But pretty exciting that pretty quickly this car came together so phenomenally. So we're not going to leave you with this. We're going to take a first drive together, right, Dalton?
For sure.
So we're going to feel what this does, and we'll leave you with that. You know, I hit up the insurance company. They're going to wait for us a week or two so we can at least get some drag times for you. Then this goes off to the insurance company to get this all situated. All right.
The new color it's going to be? Oh, was I not supposed to?
Uh-oh. All right, so just to show you guys what we came in with just a week ago. 832 wheel, 979, not round up, we'll round up, 833 wheel. Now we're 980 wheels. All right, guys, now we're gonna take a first drive in our 980 wheel horsepower Hulk, our 2020 GT500. Great job. We're gonna take a run, and per Dalton, I'm gonna let Dalton take a drive first in it. Because, like, remember, he's a GT500 driver, so he's gonna take a test drive in it, let me feel it, and then I'm gonna get a chance to feel the Hulk. That's a lot of power, man.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot of power.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. I was saying if this was September, October, it'd be 1,000 wheel all day.
Sure.
980 wheel is great in this heat. So
100 degrees outside.
yeah, exactly. AC is running strong.
It's too hot.
It's too hot out here, guys.
It's got the throttle body as it drives.
Yeah.
Honestly, it drives better than stock.
Yeah, I'm excited because, you know, I know so many times people say all I need to do is upgrade the throttle body. My car drives a million times better. That's an unsung hero to a lot of these setups, you know.
And honestly, usually when you do a bigger throttle body, they do not drive as good as stock.
Yeah.
But this car drives great.
Yeah.
Do a little 60 roll here.
Yeah.
70 roll.
you can actually hear the blower, guys.
It's 4,000 RPM just rolling into it. It's crazy.
Jeez. This is amazing.
But it's nice because it still has street manners.
You still have the street manners, yeah.
You have a car that makes basically 1,000 wheel horsepower in 100-degree weather.
Yep.
And your
drivability is amazing.
Like we have AC. We're not shaking the house down with a cam. You know.
Exactly.
It's a very, 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 very simple combination that you have.
Yep.
You know, and it's the car's phenomenal.
Where are my manners? Let me put your cooled seat on.
Oh. Thank you. I was getting a little space.
Yeah, I know. Would you like any grape upon while we do this? Oh, shoot. Are you kidding me, yo? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Again, that was only shifted around 7,500, so.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Double intercoolers taking care of
Yeah, it's only 110 intake temps, 93 degrees.
131 manifold, and that was
Yep.
and that was after a 3-gear pull, so that's very good in 100-degree weather. And it's 40 over ambient, 30 over ambient, and we're making about 18 pounds of boost, so that's.
Yeah. Good point. People ask if we're at about 18 pounds of boost. Alright, first drive in Hulk. Get ready. What mode would you recommend? Track?
I don't know. Whatever we were in.
Alright.
I didn't really look. I think we were in normal mode.
You're in normal? Okay. Feels much
This
smoother.
will be the first time I've ever ridden in the passenger seat of one of these.
Ah.
This is it. Really haven't driven. I have not ridden in the passenger seat yet.
Oh! We caught it! I don't want to kill Dalton because I need him. She's making some steam, guys.
It is, for sure.
She is making some steam. Holy cow. That was good.
It really is violent.
Yeah, we had to catch ourselves there. So, before we turn into a meme. Oh!
Don't need 2 hoods.
Yeah, listen, this good thing is going to insurance. We'll do a 3rd gear. Yeah, a little more control. Okay.
You can hear it start to.
Oh my gosh,
High
dude.
RPM, it just ramps up. It's crazy.
Dude, great job. You know, it wouldn't be fast if I didn't almost kill us. So, that was good.
You had it under control.
Oh yeah, we had to. When in doubt.
I do have to see my face in that.
Yeah, we're gonna slow it down and everything, dude. We're gonna slow it down because
nobody scares me in cars, but you scared me.
that was a little sketch, but I always tell anybody
you handle it very well.
The way to be a Mustang owner that doesn't end up on any meme, let out.
Always let out.
Just let out and steer.
Don't be a hero.
Yeah, don't slam on the brakes, let out and steer the vehicle, and you're pretty much will correct itself. Don't be a hero and try to go faster or slam the brakes or like think anything like, I'm gonna get back into it. Because it would be a shame to make almost 1,000 wheel.
Not Dom Toretto.
Yeah.
They only do that in the
Dude,
movies, guys.
Great job, man. Fantastic. And remember, it's not gonna end here, guys. We're gonna actually take this car and take it to the drag strip, so it's not gonna disappear. We're gonna keep pushing it.
You mean like other YouTubers who dyno the car and that's it?
Yeah, I mean, we try to keep pushing it, but we'll MIA that comment. But hey, I want to say thank you so much to Kong Performance, especially my boy Dalton here. Always been very hospitable. We did a great job together hanging out with Villain Ring a 9-1, and now I'm just blessed that he worked on this car. Evolution, everybody, Palm Beach, JLT, freaking SPE, Snyder Performance killed it. Whipple, of course, the whole team here. If I'm forgetting you, I apologize. Of course, our old friends at Casper's who helped out with the catalyst downpipes. Again, stay tuned. Signature wheels are going to go on this for the drag pack. If I forgot you, I apologize. Link in the description for all the mods. Great job, bro.